Hello students, my name is Alankrita and I am a science teacher. Today we will discuss on topic chemicals from common salt. In this we will study about chemicals which can be formed by using common salt. The formula of common salt is NaCl and its chemical name is sodium chloride. So we will study about five chemicals that are sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder and plaster of Paris. Now let's start with sodium hydroxide. The chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. It is commonly known as caustic soda. This sodium hydroxide is the starting material for making many chemicals. That means it is a useful reactant for making many products. Now we will see how it is prepared. It is produced by electrolysis of a concentrated aqueous solution of NaCl, and the aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called as brine. This means sodium chloride when dissolved in water, we will call it as a brine. Let's see the equation. In this, reactant is brine, and when electricity is passed through it, electrolysis occurred, due to which breaking of bond between NaCl takes place. By this process, we get chlorine gas at anode, which is a positive electrode, and hydrogen gas is produced at cathode, which is a negative electrode. NaOH is produced near cathode. Now this whole process is called as chloralkali process because the product formed are chlorine and alkali. Here alkali is sodium hydroxide because we know alkali is that base which dissolves in water and sodium hydroxide dissolve in water. Now in the next slide we will see the uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used for making soap and detergent. It is used for making artificial textile fibers such as rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber that is made up of chemical. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacturing paper. It is used in purifying bauxite ore from which aluminium metal is extracted. It is also used in degreasing metals, oil refining, and making dyes and bleaches. Now, next we will see another compound, that is washing soda. Chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O. This 10H2O is called as water of crystallization. Let us see how it is prepared. When anhydrous sodium carbonate, here anhydrous means without water, मतलब पानी के बिना. When anhydrous sodium carbonate, which is also called as soda ash, when dissolved in water, it recrystallizes to form washing soda crystals, which contains 10 molecule of water of crystallization. So we can see that in the equation Na2CO3 combines with 10 molecule of water to form washing soda. Now in the next slide we will see what are the uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used as cleansing agent for domestic purposes like washing clothes. In fact, it is a component of many detergent. Washing soda is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now, what is permanent hardness of water? It is actually the water which has high mineral content with calcium and magnesium. Next use is washing soda is used in the manufacture of glass, soap and paper. We use washing soda in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Borax is also called as sodium borate. It is used in various household cleaning products. Now student, this is the first part of chemical from common salt. We will discuss the remaining chemicals such as bleaching powder, plaster of Paris and baking soda in the next video. Thank you for watching.